Hey, welcome back to another WebStarts Made Easy tutorial video. In this video we're going to look at internal links for JavaScript and CSS. So let me open up this particular coding here and I'll open up this HTML file. Now, as you can see with this HTML file, there are external links for JavaScript coding just up here at the top, which you'd recognize by listening and watching the tutorial about external links. But what I'm going to talk about is the internal links, and I shall highlight this JavaScript like so, and this is an internal JavaScript link that's within this HTML code. So what that means is it's not taking outside information from another URL address, bringing it into the code. It's actually embedded in the code. And we also have in this code, and I shall highlight it for you, an internal CSS. Now the good thing about what this does is, if I want to make changes to this code, I can make it within the HTML file, save it and view it immediately, or in the other process where I've got external folders, I obviously need to open up the folder, make the change in that CSS file or JavaScript, save it, then go back to the HTML and open it again. And in some cases, internal JavaScript will only work and make the code effective by being internal than being external. But what I wanted to show you, so as you start learning to do coding, is if I just quickly open up another notepad page, copy that, paste, copy that, and paste. What this is the internal coding to create internal JavaScript. So for it to be effective, you need this to be at the top, which tells the browser, okay, this is a JavaScript code commencing, and obviously this is the finish of that script. And basically all your JavaScript, which is this here, if I just highlight that, copy, fits in between those two requirements. And what happens now is the actual browser and server will recognize this as JavaScript. Because if I didn't have this at all, and if I just say deleted it, and this one as well, and just had the JavaScript within my HTML code, it would not work and it would look quite messy. Now if I go to the CSS, I'll just grab that one, whoops, copy, bring this down a little bit, paste, copy, paste. That's the requirements to have internal CSS coding. And again, if I went to my CSS coding, copy that and put that in there, then when the browser and server reads this, they read, okay, this is a commence of a CSS coding. They read all the information and they say, okay, it stops there. And the great thing about internal CSS or Java, it means that you can start creating certain codes and it's all embedded in the one HTML folder, and that way it's a lot easier to do changes, save, and view the changes straight away. So hopefully that's explained what eternal CSS and JavaScript links do. And as I say, in all my tutorial videos, repetition is the mother of skill. So watch more, learn more, and enjoy building your dream website.